Hi there, this is Dana Sletter, along with Tish Hopkins. We're doing a quick demonstration video today to introduce you to the new vaginal delivery pack that will be coming here in the next few weeks. They will be going into circulation as soon as our old packs are done. Since they are a new setup, there are extra materials in there, so we will go through step by step how we will be setting up the delivery table, including the bundles, and having to add instruments to the field. All right, Tish, whenever you're ready.
All right, new packs. They are longer, so you take one fold, come over, pull from this side, then you will add your gloves and your physician gown and your filter needle to puncture your cord blood tubing. You can drop it anywhere. It's a pan underneath, so remember, stuff will fall off on the sides.
So try to drop your sterile items in the center as best you can. Nice catch.
And you will open, we're using a demo for instruments because the packs are super long, but this is a demonstration. You will open it separate.
Maintaining a second sterile field. We are asking CSR to bundle our instrument bundles in a smaller setup, but until that time, we will create 2 separate sterile fields, making it a little bit easier to transfer the sterile instruments to the delivery table.
And just grab your instruments. You could grab them before or after. It's up to you. It's your preference. You will have 2 drapes.
That's what we will be covering the delivery table with. So you will see there's a little bit
Two baby blankets.
Mm-hmm.
You could either leave the tray on. You have your butt drape. Your placenta bucket.
As you can see, it's much larger than the one we're used to at this time. This delivery pack has extra items that most likely we are just going to take off of the field. That was a styrofoam tray that Tish has placed off the sterile field.
This will replace the sterile towel, so do not throw this off because they're going to use this to put over
the abdomen.
So you can set up your table either way you like. It's your preference. You'll have your bulb syringe that you could throw off to the baby warmer.
Because we are not going to be opening those onto the delivery table, so that can be used at the warmer.
You'll have your pack of 10 sponges. They come in 1. Two syringes. You will leave on the field.
Cord clamp,
marking pen, needle box.
That Tish has taken and taped that to the back corner.
And your instruments, you can still set up your way, however you like. table is going to be kind of tight because the placenta bucket is super large. So you got to figure out how you're going to move everything. Because the instrument's still going to be wrapped in a gown. You're still going to have 2 blood tubings. You're going to puncture the lavender. Get rid of your needle. Get rid of the red top, the vacutainer, the medicine cup, the cord blood container, and the top. And you're going to get rid of your marking pen and the labels. Set it off to the side. And you are going to drape
with 2 half sheets. They are very large. So you're going to come about 3/4 of the way.
I'm going to put my drape here, or you can set it on top of your baby blankets, whichever way. So, for draping, you said half.
About half to 3/4 of the way. As you can see, these drapes are much larger than we have used in the past.
I find it's easier to overlay them in the middle. Drape from this end. With the overlay. And pull from this end.
Then when the physicians are taking the covers off, they will go from one side, then the other side. This will avoid dragging any part of the drape that had been hanging down below the table and keeping everything on the table still sterile.
And if you want the labels and the marking pen, you could cover one end and put your name and initials so they can see when it was done. Date it the same way, or you could just use the marking pen and do it that way. But I find with the drapes being super big, you could just put the sticker with your name, with your initials, date and time. That way so it won't fall off when you move it back into the corner, since they super long.
And we're going to take this delivery table and put it into the copy room next to the L&D report room for everybody to take a peek at it. Please let Tish or Dana or even Rosemary know if you have any questions about our new vaginal delivery packs.